there's been a development when the CS Kindiki outlawed the strike, meaning beginning tomorrow we might start seeing tear gas. We saw what happened to the leader. There was a projectile that hit his head. God forbid if it had hit the wrong corner, probably he would not be with him. And as Azimio we are saying, it is their constitutional right under Article 37. And if this government, instead of addressing the problem, the root cause of this, is going to use tear gas and force against the doctors and force them off the streets, as Azimio we are ready to come out to stand with them. Say you have no money to pay your doctors, and yet you have money to give new jobs called CSs, creating offices and rewarding your cronies who lost elections to most of these honorable members of parliament and who are going to be earning more than the honorable members of parliament, and you're saying you cannot pay the doctors. This is the height of irresponsibility by any government. We are an agrarian economy. A lot of farmers today as we speak, particularly where I come from, they're in their farms. We have rains, we have good soils, but we have fake fertilizers. We have fake seed being given by the government itself from NCPB stores. These are not things being bought kwa maduka, sijui wapi. This is fertilizer from government institutions being given to farmers, and farmers have found in those bags not fertilizer, stones, na mavi ya punda na vitu ingine, very strange things. And for 3 weeks, the Minister for Agriculture, Bwana Linturi, has been trying to deny that there's no fake fertilizer. People have been arrested by Kenyan police, confirming by the Kenyan police that indeed there's fake fertilizer. But now where we have reached, the left arm of government does not know what the right arm is doing. Today the minister is saying, yes, there might have been fake fertilizer, but only 3,000 bags. The deputy president, Bwana Gachagua, is saying, yes, there's fake fertilizer, but there are 50,000 bags. Which is which? It's a government that is totally confused and out of touch with the reality. And that is why we are demanding today, as Azimio, that for 3 weeks, Bwana Linturi has been in offices, in this office, has been issuing denials. But now that it has been confirmed that it's fake fertilizer, the honorable thing Bwana Linturi should have done is to step aside. And we are demanding as Azimio that the Minister for Agriculture should resign and allow investigations to get to the bottom of this scandal that threatens our national food security. May I invite my brother, the Honorable Governor.